And today we met with Lafange Parinde, well actually one of them. And Amit Ramsey managed to catch her for us. Yes, Deepika Padukone, who's soon going to be seen in Pradeep Sarkar's latest opposite. Neil Nitin Mukesh spilled the beans for us.
Tell me something about Lafange Parinde and what is the title about and what is the film all about?
The film is all about dreams, it's about ambition, it's about wanting to do something for yourself. But at the end of the day, it's a simple love story.
Deepika, how is it working with Neil Nitin Mukesh, and this is the first film with him? So are you excited about the chemistry between you and Neil?
I'm excited about the film. Chemistry is something that's in the characters. I think it's the way the script is written. But yeah, I think it was a wonderful experience working with him. He's been extremely supportive, and I think I've made a great friend.
Deepika, how difficult it was, like if you compare from your earlier films, for the very first time, like Deepika Padukone is playing a blind girl, and plus you are doing stunts also in the film, and plus you are a dancer in the films. How difficult it was to prepare for such a character?
It's definitely been extremely challenging for me, and I'd definitely say the most challenging role for me in terms of performance. And even the amount of preparation that went into getting into this character required a lot of time. And 6 months I learned only how to skate. And in that same time we also spent a lot of time doing readings with Dada to get into get comfortable with the language and things like that. So
have you ever done some pranks like being a Lafange and kind of when you're in college and when you're growing up, or any moments which you remember?
Lots. I mean, I think I was a bully. When I was in school, I used to trouble my friends a lot. When I was in college, I've troubled my teachers a lot. So I think it's nice as long as you don't harm anyone and it's all in good spirit. I think it's nice to be naughty sometimes.
Deepika, it's a Yash Raj film, and earlier also you have done a Yash Raj film. Like you were then in a Bachna Hai Hasina. So how was it working with this production house and Aditya Chopra as a producer again?
When you work with Yash Raj films, it doesn't feel like a production house. You feel more a part of the family. And I mean, for me, it's always been a dream because I don't come from a film family. I'm someone who came from a sports family. And when I used to watch movies, and then when I joined the industry, I always wanted to work with Yash Raj films and work with Yash Ji and work with Adi. So for me, it's a dream come true.
Deepika, who's the bigger Lafange in the film, you or Neil? And did you have a blast while shooting the film?
I'm a bigger Lafanga.
Do you remember any of the funny incidents while shooting or things as such?
Lots. I mean, we've had a lot of fun moments in the film. We've teased and troubled each other a lot, and in the film itself, you can even see in this poster, Pinky is not your typical dainty girl. She also, if someone fights, she'll fight back. So there were a lot of moments where we would just trouble each other and argue and things like that.
Deepika, now you have done so much of action, and now people have started calling you like Akshay Kumar heroine she is, and she can do so many stunts. And so what do you have to say about that?
It's nice. I like doing things. I like doing different things. I like doing action films. I think just the way I like doing a song and dance sequence, I like doing action. So I'd like to do a full-on action sequence.
Thank you, Deepika. Thanks for talking.